So today I'll show you a program that helps calculate a patient's hospital bill and check their vital signs. So it asks for patient info, calculates room, lab, medicine, and operation fees, applies discounts, and then shows a summary of vital and total bill. And I'll show you the code step by step and explain what's happening. So first, kailangan natin kunin yung basic info ng patient like ID name, um, age, room type, days of stay, number of lab tests, medicine fee, at kung kailangan ba ng operation. Tapos, kunin rin natin yung vital signs like temperature, blood pressure, at heart rate. So dito, notice by default na string ang input sa Python. Kaya gumagamit tayo ng int function or float function para ma-convert sa numbers and magamit sa calculations. So, I will be demonstrating kung paano mag-input ng information. So, ngayon, magde-demonstrate naman ako. So, okay, nakita nyo na successfully na-enter natin lahat ng inputs, which is itong part. So, next is, we check the room type para malaman yung rate. So, ward is 500, semi-private is 1,000, private is 2,000, ICU is 5,000. Kung mali yung input, magiging 0 at invalid ang room type. And then, here, nag-input ako ng private, so yung rate niya per day is 2,000. Ngayon, compute natin yung bill. So, lab bill is number of tests times 1,200. Operation fee is 15,000 kung yes ang operation. Room bill is days of stay times room rate. And then, sum natin lahat para makuha yung subtotal. So, let's see yung room bill. 3 times 2,000, naging 6,000 na siya. And then, lab bill, 2 times 1,200, naging, ano na siya, 2,400. And then, medicine fee, 1,500. Operation, 15,000. And then, subtotal is 24,900. So, after subtotal, we check if may discount. 20% kung senior citizen. Ito. And then, ano siya? 15% kung subtotal greater than equal 100,000. And then 10% kung subtotal greater than equal 50,000. And then else, walang discount. So, wait. So, here, walang applied discount kasi um, ang in-input na age is 21 lang. Pero kapag, for example, nilagay is 65, so ang magiging percentage ng discount is 20% kasi nga senior citizen. Ngayon, check natin yung vitals. So, temperature, 38 or higher, fever, else normal. Blood pressure, um, systolic greater than equal 140 or diastolic greater than equal 90. And then high yun. The systolic less than equal 90 or diastolic less than equal 60. Low siya. Else normal. Yung heart rate less than 60, low HR. Tapos greater than 100, high HR. Else normal. So dito sa in-input ko, yung blood pressure niya is normal, 130/78. And then finally, yung output. Ito, makikita natin yung patient info. Makikita natin yung patient info, vitals with status, room, lab, medicine, operation fees, subtotal, discount at total bill. Kung may abnormal vitals, lalabas din na kailangan ng monitoring. And then, ayun lang.